Next topic is chapter the triangle and its properties. Exercise 6.1 we have already completed. Now this is the time for exercise 6.2. First of all, we will read about exterior angles of a triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle. We have read about the component of the triangle. Let ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. Then there are three interior angles: angle A, angle B, and angle C. If we extend any of the sides in any direction, अगर हम किसी भी साइड को किसी भी डायरेक्शन में एक्सटेंड कर दें, मान लीजिए हमने इस AB को BC को एक्सटेंड कर दिया यहाँ, तो जो एंगल बाहर की साइड बनता है वो एक्सटीरियर एंगल कहलाता है. एक्सटीरियर एंगल यानी एक्सटीरियर एंगल क्या है? अगर हम if we extend any side of the triangle, then angle made outside the triangle which side is called the exterior angle. और जो दो एंगल बचते हैं, एंगल ये और एंगल ये इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल कहलाते हैं. जहां हमने एक्सटीरियर बनाया है उसको छोड़ के बाकी जो दो बचे ये दोनों, these are इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल्स. अगर हम यहां बनाए एंगल, अगर हम इसको एक्सटेंड करते हैं तो एक्सटीरियर यहां बनेगा और अपोजिट इंटीरियर ये होंगे. ऐसे ही अगर हम इसको एक्सटेंड करते हैं तो एक्सटीरियर यहां बनेगा और इंटीरियर अपोजिट ये दोनों होंगे. यानी जहां एक्सटीरियर बना हुआ है अगर हम उस साइड को छोड़ के बाकी दो एंगल ले लें तो वो दोनों इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल कहलाते हैं. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट इज एक्सटीरियर एंगल? व्हाट इज exterior angle? If we extend any side of the triangle, then angle made exterior to triangle with the side is called exterior angle. Right? What is exterior angle? If we extend any side of triangle, then angle made outside the triangle with the side is called exterior angle. Now we will prove that this exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. Now we will prove that sum of exterior angle is sum of the two opposite interior angles, and this is called exterior angle property. This is called exterior angle property. So what is exterior angle property? Exterior angle property is what? Any exterior angle of triangle, any exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. Any exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior. Okay, now we will prove this. Let we have given a triangle ABC. This is triangle A, triangle B, and triangle C. We extend the BC to D. We extend the BC to D to make exterior angle ACD. Now we will prove that measurement of this angle ACD is equal to measurement of angle A plus measurement of angle B. To give it, what is given? Triangle ABC and angle ACD is exterior angle. टू प्रूव, क्या हमें प्रूव करना है कि मेजरमेंट ऑफ एंगल ACD is equal to measurement of angle A plus measurement of angle B. This is exterior angle, and we will prove that this exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. Now, what we have done? We have done some construction. बेटा अपना म्यूट कीजिए, साउंड म्यूट कीजिए सब अपने, ठीक है। हमने क्या किया, इस AB के पैरेलल इस C से एक लाइन ड्रॉ की, AB के पैरेलल C से एक लाइन ड्रॉ की CE। सो कंस्ट्रक्शन हमने क्या किया, वी ड्रॉ CE पैरेलल टू AB, दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ पैरेलल टू। हमने एक CE ड्रॉ कर ली AB के पैरेलल। Let this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3 and this is angle 4। अब देखिए हमारे पास ये दोनों साइड पैरेलल, ये एक ट्रांसवर्सल, ये दोनों साइड पैरेलल, ये एक ट्रांसवर्सल, तो एंगल 1 और एंगल 3 इक्वल हुए। क्यों हुए? क्यों हुए? ऑल्टरनेट एंगल प्रॉपर्टी से, ठीक है। और 2 और 4 ये भी दोनों इक्वल हुए, ये दोनों पैरेलल हैं, ये ट्रांसवर्सल है, कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल से 1 3 के इक्वल हुआ और 2 4 के इक्वल। टू प्रूव as AB is parallel to CE, so angle 1 is equal to angle 3. What is the reason? Alternate angles. And angle 2 is equal to angle 4. What is the reason? Corresponding angles. What is the reason? Corresponding angle. If we add these, हमने दोनों को ऐड किया, adding, what we get? Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4. 1. What is 1? 1 is measurement of angle A. What is 2? 2 is measurement of angle B. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is completely making angle ACD. So measurement of angle ACD. This is the proof. This is the proof. This implies that any exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. This is called exterior angle property. What is this called? Exterior angle property. Now we will use this property in solving the problems of exercise 6.2. Open the exercise 6.2. Exercise 6.2. Two, 4, 5. 5 students only. Exercise 6.2, question number 1. Given some figures and we have to find unknown angle x. In first figure first, this is a triangle, this is exterior angle, this is 50 degree, this is 70 degree, and this is x. X was what? X is exterior angle, so it will be equal to sum of two opposite interior. So opposite interiors are 50 and 70. So x is equal to 50 plus 70 degree implies 120 degree by the property of exterior angle property, right? Angle x is equal to 50 plus 70, 120. Similarly, second part, third part, fourth, fifth, and sixth one, all the parts are same. Exterior angle is have to find, you have to sum the opposite two interior angles. Let us take part number fifth. Let us take part number fifth. हाँ बोलिए
सर। आप अपना फोन थोड़ा पीछे कर लीजिए, दिखने का।
अब
यस सर।
अब ठीक है।
Yes, sir.
चलिए पार्ट नंबर 5 देखिए. व्हाट इज पार्ट नंबर 5? दिस इज ट्रायंगल गिवन. This angle is 50 degree. This angle is 50 degree, and you have to find at x. So what is x? 50 plus 50 implies 100 degree. कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी? एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी. Exterior angle property. Simple questions. You will solve all the parts yourself. Question number 2. Find value of unknown interior angles x in the following figures. Question number 2 देखिए. Question number 2 given figure number first. This is a triangle. This angle is 50 degree. This angle is x, and this is 115. This 115. What is this 115? Exterior angle, and exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. So angle 115 is equal to angle x plus 50 degree by the property of exterior angle property. X plus 50 is equal to 115 by the exterior angle property. Now we will solve it as we solve linear equations. We have to find out x. So we will transpose 50. 50 is positive in right. So when we will take it in left, it will be negative. 115 minus 50 is equal to x. Subtracting 5, 6 is equal to x. So x is equal to 65 degree. This is the solution. Same question number second part. Third part देखिए. Third part. Third part is a right angle triangle. This is a triangle given. This angle is right, and exterior angle is made at this vertex. This is 125 degree. This is x, and this is 90 degree. This is the symbol of 90 degree, perpendicular. So it is understood that it is 90 degree. Same procedure we will follow. These are two opposite interiors, and this is exterior angle. So 125 degree is equal to x plus 90. Which property? Exterior angle property. So 125 we will transpose 90 minus 90 degree is equal to x. Subtracting 35 degree is equal to x. So x is equal to 35. Same fourth part, fifth part, sixth part. All are same. कोई और करके सॉल्व करूं? बोलिए. कोई और पार्ट सॉल्व करूं? Part number 5th. What is part number 5th? This is a triangle given. This angle is 80 degree. This is x, and this is 30 degree. This is exterior angle, and what is exterior angle? Exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. So x plus 30 is equal to 80 degree by which property? Exterior angle property. Now we have to find out x. So we will transpose 30. 30 is positive in left. So when we transpose it in right, it will become negative. Then x is equal to 80 minus 30. X is equal to 50 degree. This is the solution of part number 5th. Part number 6th. Given a triangle This is a triangle. This angle is 35 degree. This angle is x, and this angle is 75 degree. Again, exterior angle property. This is exterior angle, and it is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. So x plus 35 degree is equal to 75, and x is equal to 75 minus 35. So x is equal to 40 degree. This is the solution of 6.2.